Hi ESL1, so what I want you to do today is I want you to play this game called Close. So you'll press start and they have games for all different types of clothes. So the different types of clothes are summer, spring, winter, formal, casual, beach, students, and those are all the ones you can play. So I would like you to start with summer. So let's click play and let's see how you play this game. So if I press start, it'll say she is wearing a dress and it'll read it to me. So I need to find a dress. So I'm looking around and here's the dress. It's yellow and it says she. So this is a girl, this is a boy, and I know she is a girl. So I'm going to give her the dress. He is wearing shorts. So he is a boy. Where are the shorts? Right here. And then I'll place them on him.
He is wearing a polo shirt.
And that's how you play. So when you are done, you get a score at the bottom. And let's say I get it wrong. Let's say I put polo shirt on the girl. It'll highlight he because I know that I need to do he. Or if I pick the wrong thing, oh no, I'm losing points. So the object of the game is to get all of the clothes on him and her. And what you guys can do, let's go back. You can play the summer game. You could play spring, winter, formal, casual, or beach. But I definitely want you to play at least 2 of these games. All right, bye you guys. Good luck.